Hi and welcome to Zoho Analytics video demo. Understanding reports and charts is not always easy. You look at the numbers, scan through visuals, and try to figure out what changed. Why did sales drop? What caused this spike? What could happen next? Finding those answers can take time. That's where Zia Insights and Zoho Analytics helps. Instead of leaving you to interpret the data on your own, Zia Insights turns data into clear, simple explanations. It helps you understand what happened, why it happened, what could happen next, and what actions you can take. With descriptive insights, Zia summarizes the story behind your data. With predictive insights, it shows trends and forecasts what is likely to happen next. With diagnostic insights, it identifies the factors behind changes in your metrics. And with recommendations, it suggests the next best actions you can take. So instead of just looking at charts, you get insights you can understand and act on. Zia Insights helps you move from data to confident decisions faster. In this video, we'll show you how to customize Zia Insights in Zoho Analytics so you can view insights tailored to your needs. For this demo, we'll work with a sales versus ad spend report. A great example of how Zia transforms raw numbers into meaningful insights. Access the report in view mode and click the settings icon to customize the insights that will be generated for this report. The Explain by Column option allows you to choose the key metrics and dimensional columns that Zia will use for insight generation. By default, the columns used in the report are automatically selected. You can click Add Column to include additional metrics or dimensions that should be considered when generating insights. Zia Insights supports multiple categories of insights. These include contribution analysis, which shows which factors drive performance, time series trends, which track how values change over time, dimension comparisons, which highlight differences between groups, and measure analysis, which breaks down key metrics in detail. Select the categories that Zia should consider when generating insights from your data. Next, let's look at key driver analysis. Key driver analysis is a statistical technique used to identify which factors, or variables, have the strongest influence on a particular outcome. Open the Key Driver Analysis section and select the checkbox Show Key Drivers for Diagnostic Insights. To configure Key Driver Analysis, we need two key inputs. First, choose the target measure. In this example, we select sales, which is the dependent metric we want to analyze to understand what factors contribute to a specific trend. The Show Top-End Drivers feature analyzes the selected factors and highlights the most influential ones affecting the target metric. Zia automatically chooses the model to be used for the key driver analysis. You can also choose the preferred models based on your requirements. Next, select the influencing factors. These can include fields such as ad spend, user device, campaigns, and clicks. For each dimension, the top-end factors option identifies the values that contribute most significantly to the selected metric. Click the drop-down icon next to any chosen factor to customize its configuration. The Top Factors option allows you to choose how many of the most influential values from each category should be analyzed based on their impact on the target metric. The Actual Values option lets you manually select the specific values that should be included when analyzing their influence on the target metric. You can also click Add Column to include additional factors for analysis. A maximum of 5 dimensions and 3 measures can be used. The Add Explain by Column option automatically includes all columns selected earlier in the Explain by configuration for key driver analysis. Enable the Recommendations option to allow Zia to analyze your sales data and suggest targeted actions to help increase revenue. Once you have configured the settings, save the report to generate Zia Insights. Click Zia Insights to view the insights generated for the report. Insights are presented in both textual and visual narratives, making them easy to interpret. Click the verbosity icon to choose your preferred level of insight detail. By default, the medium verbosity level is selected. Zia Insights provides 3 verbosity levels for generating explanations. Each level delivers contextually tailored insights that highlight the most relevant metrics from your data. You can also click the globe icon to choose your preferred language. Insights from the selected categories, including contribution analysis, time series trends, dimension comparison, and measure analysis, are displayed to help you easily understand your data. Now let's diagnose why sales dropped by 15% in the current month. Click the diagnosis icon next to any time series insight. The first section provides a visual explanation of why sales have declined. The top drivers section reveals how different factors, such as ad source, contributed to the decrease in sales and quantifies their impact on overall performance. Click Know More to explore the possible reasons behind the change. The top offsetters of sales section highlights the factors that are negatively affecting your sales performance. Missing drivers represent factors that had no measurable impact in the previous period, but began contributing either positively or negatively in the current period. For example, a campaign that contributed to total sales in September may have had no impact in October. This highlights how missing or underperforming campaigns can affect overall revenue and why monitoring them is important. Based on these insights, Zia recommends actionable strategies to boost sales. Increasing ad spend on high-performing channels like Instagram can drive stronger engagement and higher conversions. Simultaneously, reallocating budget from lower-impact campaigns to those with greater potential ensures every investment contributes meaningfully to overall sales growth. Together, these strategies provide a clear roadmap to boost performance and achieve better results from your ad spend. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching this demo. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on our toll-free numbers